D.
A D. Wow. What does that letter look like?
Yeah, if you give it to me, I'll show you. Iggy, this is the letter D.
Wow, that's a nice looking letter. Okay. Can we think of something that begins with the letter D? Oh, that looks like my cousin. What is this? What is this?
He's a dinosaur.
Whoa.
And you're a chameleon.
Well, some people say I'm a chameleon and some people say I'm an iguana. But I think I'm like a mix between the two.
But you can't change color.
Wow, that's true. I stay one color, so I've got more of the iguana, I think, in my blood. Okay, so what is this? That is some ugly looking thing. What is oh! Is it safe to come back? What is this? Oh, you look. Oh. Maybe if I give it a kiss. No. Okay, you have to take it away. Please take him away. Take him away.
Okay, don't be scared. Don't be scared, Iggy.
Oh, that was close. So the next letter is...